students and parents. My name is Mr. Josh. I am a flow advisor here at DiscoverU, and this year I'm also going to be the lead advisor for the 4-H STEM camp. Students, some of you may already know me as I have already been a chaperone for the past 3 years, so I'm very excited to see familiar faces, but I'm also excited to see new faces this year. Some of you already know that also we're going to be doing a lot of cool activities like camping stuff, so we're going to be swimming, canoeing, going fishing and such, but also we're going to be doing some really cool STEM projects. So we've had students also do chemistry projects, dry ice experiments, even just bottle rockets. So a lot of cool stuff that y'all are going to see and do again this summer. Parents, this year for communication, we are going to be using GroupMe. We have used it in the past. It worked out perfectly. We will be sending updates on arrival to camp, when we leave to camp, when we stop for lunch, but also you're gonna have some cool pictures of the activities that we will be doing this summer. So that way you don't have to worry throughout the summer, and your students are gonna have a lot of fun. Students, one more thing, as an activity before you go to camp this summer, what they have there at 4-H is a rock ceremony. So you want to bring a pretty good sized rock, maybe about that big or so, and you want to make it nice and pretty, make it to your identity or something, you know. Mine is probably going to be Spider-Man because I love Spider-Man. So bring a rock, make it look nice and neat, and we'll have a really great time this summer. If y'all need to get in contact with me, you can ask Abby for any additional information, or you can even email me at joshua@discoverus.org. Thank you and have a great day.